share with you one curious tool which is essential for coaching and works wonders for confidence. What it is? It is NLP supposition, NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and the supposition is the map is not a territory. What it means? Let's say 3 people, gardener, architect and a priest, going traveling to Rome. Wonderful place. They're doing sightseeing together at the same time, visiting churches, palaces, gardens, and other wonderful villas and museums. And at the end of the trip, all 3 of them, priest, gardener and architect, telling completely different story. And each of them is right, because the story is chosen and the attention they paid according to their interests, according to their values. So what it means for us is absolutely essential for the coach, because we don't give advice, we listen attentively, and actually we are working together with the person according to their map, according to their values, according to their interest and perception of the world. For everybody else, why it's great knowing this? Because it helps us to understand other people without our own judgment. And the opposite, when we realize that there is no point to please everybody if you have a tendency as a people's pleaser, it's liberating, because you're becoming authentic. You are becoming more in line with your values and with your interests, and actually you remove all inner restrictions. So it will add to confidence. So enjoy your map, expand your territory, have fun being authentic. So good luck with this. See you next time.